To begin our modeling process in Tekla Structures for a fully coordinated project, let's first bring in our site data. On the right-hand side panel, I'll click the PointCloud icon to insert our scan data, which was captured using the Trimble X9 laser scanner. Next, to provide some visual context, I'll insert a conceptual design previously modeled in SketchUp, bringing it in seamlessly through Trimble Connect. Now, using the Tekla Layout Point tool, I can place specific layout points across the model. These points can later be exported by their coordinates and used to establish an accurate project alignment. Once we have our alignment ready, typically formatted as a LandXML file, I'll import it directly into Tekla so we can use it with the Tekla Bridge Creator tool. Because Tekla excels at high-detail modeling, we can use custom components to accurately build out the structural elements of our pathway. Here you can see we are modeling the foundation, pedestal, columns, and beams. Jumping back into the Bridge Creator, I will select the custom component we just made and apply it directly along our established alignment. As you can see, Bridge Creator helps us rapidly generate the model along the path, complete with all the necessary details required for fabrication. With the model in place, we can now run the numbering process. From here, we will automatically generate accurate concrete and steel drawings that are ready to be sent out for fabrication. Finally, to wrap up the workflow, Tekla instantly extracts the model data to create our complete bill of materials reports and bar bending schedules. By utilizing Tekla Structures alongside Trimble Connect and Bridge Creator, we can streamline the entire workflow, from raw PointCloud data all the way down to fabrication-ready drawings and reports. This approach not only ensures precise coordination but significantly speeds up the detailing process.